Hello, Woodcreek families, and we are glad to be able to talk to you guys again. Your students have been stacking great days upon great days here on campus, and we are excited about what 24-25 has to hold. A couple of announcements for you guys. One, we're looking for donations for our annual fund. We're always trying to increase our technology here on campus, and that is what we're hoping to gain annual fund money for. If you receive one of the yellow cards, we hope that you click the QR code to donate, or the signs that are around campus at student drop-off where you can text to donate. Please reach out and help us reach our goal here at Woodcreek of making sure that we have as many devices as possible to make this a 21st century education for your student. Also, we look forward to seeing everyone here on August 20th. We'll be having our open house. It'll be your first opportunity as parents to get an opportunity to speak to your students' teachers here at Woodcreek Middle School. We hope to see everyone out. Also on August 20th, during open house, we'll have an interest meeting for Iron Men, which is a middle school version of Watchdogs, where we try to get dads in schools to help us make sure that our students are remaining safe here at Woodcreek Middle School. There'll be more information coming out about that soon. Guys, we hope you and your family have an outstanding weekend and that you are excited to be here at school on Monday morning when we come back. Looking forward to seeing everybody on August 20th for open house, and we really hope that you take the opportunity to investigate in donating for Woodcreek Middle School's annual fund.